you got powers, superpowers? Do you even know how to wield them? All God's children. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. I'm Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song Superpowers by Daniel Caesar. So quick disclaimers first, we're going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the D major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. It's going to be dead string, 5, 7, 6, 7, dead string. D7 chord, like so. Dead string, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. With the use of our index finger to bar the 5th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the G major 7 chord. It's going to be like this right here. It's going to be 3, dead string, 4, 4, 3, dead string. Next up is going to be the G minor 7 chord. That's going to be 3, dead string, 3, 3, 3, dead string. Next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And that is going to be dead string, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. Once again, with the use of our index finger to bar the 2nd fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the E7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. And that's going to be dead string 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. With the use of our index finger once again to bar the 7th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the G minor 6 chord. It's going to be this one right here. And that is going to be 3, dead string, 2, 3, 3, dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the E diminished 7 chord, which is going to be this one right here. And that is going to be dead string, 7, 8, 6, 8, dead string. Yep, D major 7, D7, G major 7, G minor 7, B minor 7, E7, G minor 6, and the E diminished 7 chord. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum and using this part of your thumb for the up strum. So it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that. So you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. And when it comes to holding the pick, make sure that you're putting it right here on your thumb, perpendicularly, like so. And pinch it with your index finger, like this. And make sure that only the tip's sticking out. And that's what you use to strum the strings in your guitar. Make sure that your hand and your arm is not that loose nor too tight. Make sure that you're strumming comfortably. It's going to be like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And with that said, the guitar strumming pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections as well as the outro section of the song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So in the original audio of the song, in the first verse section, the artist, Daniel Caesar, just strums the chords once. But just for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to be applying the strumming pattern for that as well. But yeah, feel free to just do simple down strums for the first part of the song. That's no problem. So with that said, the first part is going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. D7, G major 7, G minor 7. That's going to be the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. E7 chord for 4 counts. G major 7. Then G minor 6. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Oh, you got powers, superpowers. Do you even know how to wield them? All God's children are special, but not like you, but not like you. You're just like a flower, you're ever giving, that's a given. All God's children are special, but not like you, but not like you. And lastly, for the chord sections of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, D major 7 chord for 4 counts, D7, G major 7. Now this time it's going to be the E diminished 7 chord for 4 counts, G major 7, E7, G major 7, then G minor 6. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Lift your head to the sky. You're the main character now. You're the main character now. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And we'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Daniel Caesar guitar tutorials or any other guitar tutorials for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.